Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by being a voice actor. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by doing voice acting. What is voice acting exactly? Well, essentially, being a voice actor is somebody who records a specific script for somebody else, whether it is going to be used on a YouTube video, a short production film for YouTube or Twitch that's going to be done pre-recorded, or in a movie or in a TV series or as a voiceover. There's a number of different ways that voice acting is done. If you watch shows like The Simpsons, Family Guy, or any of the reality shows about like how it's made, 30 Jobs, and shows like that, those are all examples of voice acting. The characters on The Simpsons, Family Guy, Futurama, those are all voice actors. They're lending their voice to create those characters for you to be able to watch on TV. Now, in the other aspect of voiceovers, you've got 30 Jobs and how it's made and the other shows like that, to where they've got parts that are narrated. And one of the most common people that you are going to hear do many different narrations, whether it's in a TV series or whether it's in a movie, is Morgan Freeman. And that is the same thing. Doing voiceovers is voice acting, narration. There's many channels here on YouTube that also have this kind of style. Anytime that you are not seeing that specific person doing talking head stuff like I am right now, and you have somebody that is, we'll say, for instance, sharing my screen and showing you stuff in a tutorial, and I'm not anywhere visible on the screen, that is voiceover. And that is what you could be making money doing right now. You can list your services as a voice actor on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Rev, and Upwork. You can also list it on Craigslist, as well as on LinkedIn, on social media pages like Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you can possibly promote that service, and you can make a nice little chunk of money. Now, if you go on to Fiverr, you can find voice actors on there for anywhere between $5 and up. You can get voice actors in multiple different languages. You can get some of them to do different voices and so on. And if you're on any of those freelancing sites as well, you can charge based on, one, the length of voice acting you're going to have to do and what all you're going to have to put into it. We'll say, for instance, you're going to be somebody that is doing voice acting for a character in a YouTube video. And we'll say it's an animated series where they want you to play a character. which means you're going to have to change the tone of your voice and do specific lines that they want you to do. You could then, we'll say, hypothetically charge for an hour of voice recording $150 or more. Or we'll say you're needed for doing a voiceover of a tutorial, like some of the tutorials I've got on this channel where I'm showing you how to use Canva or STREAMYARD or any other different website or tool, in having you do the voiceover for it so I don't have to. And then you could charge $20 for a tutorial, $50 for a tutorial, or whatever price range you feel is worthy of your time for that specific project. And who knows, if you're good at voice acting, you could get hired by somebody in the big leagues for being a character on their show or being one of their voiceover experts to do a TV series. And this is just one of many ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. If you're interested in learning more about this, you can head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where you can see an article there as well as on the other topics that I've covered in this series. You can also purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster: 100 Plus Businesses That You Can Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. Doesn't matter whether you're full-time or part-time employed, unemployed, college student, disabled, or stay-at-home parent, or retired. There's literally something in this book for everyone, and you can start making money in as little as a few minutes from now. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. I hope you stay safe and have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode.